going on, everybody? How you doing today? Today I'm over at my parents' house. Got this for my dad for a Christmas gift, and we are going to review it as well as show you what you get inside, and then I'll show you some footage later on how good the camera looks. We will pan and tilt and see how good that works, as well as show you how bright the floodlights are. So let me get this unboxed for you real quick. First, let me tell you a little bit more about it. It does have 2K full high definition. As I said, pan and tilt, free local storage, 3000 lumens of brightness, which is pretty bright. This guy is $299 usually, and I picked it up for $249 on sale before Christmas. Here's a little bit more information on what it can do. And let me go ahead and open this up real quick. I'll lay everything out, show you exactly what you get. I'll show you where we're going to install it. I'll let you know how long it took to install. And overall, after we do all that, I'll tell you if I recommend it or not. If you're new to this channel, please do me a huge favor, like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in just a minute. I wanted to quickly show you the inside of the box. Looks like it's very well packaged, and it's all already pretty much together for you. So you just pull this out. It's got some protection so it doesn't get damaged, some plastic so it doesn't get scratched. You just pull the entire unit out. Definitely has some weight to it, which is nice. Usually that means it's got a pretty decent build quality. So there's everything in one. And then you get this little box, which we'll go over right now. And that is it. So it all comes already together. So it should be a very simple install, let's hope. And then once we're done, I'll show you the quality of the camera and all that. All right, here's everything that came in the box. You do get a couple of stickers to put on your door so people know you're protecting your house, as well as all the mounting hardware, a cable to charge it. Of course, a user's manual, a little towel to wipe off the lens in case you get it dirty from your fingerprints, and then it comes pre-wired for your existing floodlight. Luckily, my parents have a floodlight where we're going to install this, so it should be very easy to install, and I will let you guys know if we had difficult time, how long it took. And if you guys have anything specific you'd like to know about this, let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer that for you. All right, guys, we have it installed. This is where we chose to do it. This is a little bit of an older house, so we had to do some modifying to this plate, but it's no fault at eufy's. Very easy to install, especially if you have it set up for a real floodlight. One tip for you guys, it's 24 degrees out, and this paper does not peel off because it's so cold. So I'm gonna go get a hair dryer and warm it up, and then these will peel off nice and easy for you. So you can either peel this off before you take this outside if it's cold, but if it is cold, they just rip right off, as you can see. But I'll get them off with no problem with the hair dryer. There's a little camera, and this will pan and tilt left and right, and then it'll go up and down as well. There's a speaker built in so you can talk to whoever. And so far the quality of this seems really good. It's a nice heavy build. The audio is really good. What's up? Thanks. And I'm gonna get the stickers off, and then I'll show you the video quality. And it's pan and tilt motion, and then I'll give you a final verdict. All right, everybody, we got it installed. Here is the app. Got the footage right in front of you. Good, looks like a very good 2K high definition footage. It shows the kilobits per second. On the left, you can turn on and off the lights whenever you want. Of course, you can also set it to motion sensor. Click record to record. Obviously, screenshot for a quick picture. You hold down the little speak button there in the middle, and you can talk with whoever's in your yard. The little look around button, you click that, and it will actually scan your entire yard all the way around. And that's kind of a cool feature. Or of course you can control it with the directional keys in the middle of the screen. You can adjust the sound, auto night vision. You can even set an alarm with this, so if someone's lurking in your backyard and you don't know them, you just simply hit the alarm and scare them away. And you can set up tracking, so if someone starts over there at the right gate and they walk past the camera's field of view, it'll actually track the subject and turn left for you automatically, which is pretty cool. And then you can also turn your phone sideways like so. All these features are still here on the bottom. And then let me show you the controls and how much this guy can actually turn and stuff. So right now, that's pretty much the perfect side of the house. And you can go all the way around to the other side and track whoever's here. There I obviously went too far because I held it too long. But probably about right here or so is where you don't want to see people. Then say if you don't have this in your backyard, you say you have it on your front porch for some reason, and then you could also tap it 1, 2, 3, and it'll turn kind of an inch or so at a time. Then you can also look down and see what's straight below the camera, which is cool. And then this is about as high as it can go, and it'll tell you that's as high as it can go. Yeah, see. So footage looks great. It worked flawlessly. We got it hooked up. Have no issues so far. Hold and speak works really good. The sound quality is really good. And if you guys want to see anything more specific about this or more tests, let me know down in the comments and I can make a separate video for you guys. Hey guys, I got it hooked up here. Peeled off these stickers. Got a lot of LEDs, so it's nice and bright. And now my son is going to show you the quality of the sound and talking.
Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm here to rob you blind.
Oh, well, I just called the police, so yeah.
So say if my son was alone here, he can set off an alarm through the app. So I'm going to set that off. I haven't heard this before, so we'll see how loud it is, and hopefully I can turn it off right away. There you go, nice and loud. Definitely would wake up the neighbors. So far, yeah, this thing's really good. So if you need a floodlight to illuminate your entire backyard, it's kind of a small backyard, so this light would easily light all this up for them. And like I said, we'll have it aimed over here probably, and if someone walks through that gate, it'll track them like this and then follow them around. And with a 2K clarity, you should get a good picture of their face. These are also directional, so you can twist and turn these by unscrewing this. Yeah, it was simple to install. I actually really highly recommend this. I'll put a link down in the description if you are interested. And once again, if you have any specific questions, definitely let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer that for you. Thanks guys for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.